Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Drive in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video. So if you are a beginner and want to know how to upload, organize, share and collaborate with Google Drive, this tutorial will help you through everything you need. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's start with what actually is Google Drive. So Google Drive is a free cloud storage service from Google. You will get like 15 GB of free storage with any Google account. It lets you store files, access them from any device and collaborate in real time with others. You can store documents, PDFs, photos, videos, folders, and even backups all in one place. Let's now head to drive.google.com and walk through the dashboard. So first of all, let's talk about Google Drive interface overview. So when you open Google Drive here, actually you can see this is the link and we already landed in Drive. So here you will find out the My Drive options. If I click over here, My Drive, then you will see this is your main storage area, all your uploaded or created files live here. Then come to the computers. If you sync Drive with your PC or Mac, files appear here. Then share with me. Anything others share with you shows up in yours, like in these sections. Then come to the recent one. If you click over here, then you will see that files you have opened or edited recently. Then comes to the starter, and it actually like you can mark important files with a start. Then comes to the spam or trash. So deleted files stays here for 13 days before being removed permanently. At the top there is a search bar to find any file quickly. Just type a keyword, file type, and name in here. Now let's talk about the uploading files and folders. So basically uploading to Google Drive is actually really simple. To upload a file, you just need to click over here to the new button onto the left, and then you can just need to choose file upload options here. Once you did, then they will give you the option to choose the file. Let's say I'm going to choose this one, and it already started the upload. You just need to select any document, image or PDF from your computer. It will upload to your My Drive. To upload a whole folder, you just need to similarly click onto the new, and then you will get the option for folder upload. You just need to click this one, and then you can upload folder. Let's say I'm going to upload this one, and it will click over here and this will be uploaded in here. You can see it. So you can also drag and drop files straight into the browser. Google Drive will automatically upload them. So here you can see our two files already been uploaded. If I go to My Drive, then here you will see that our file already been uploaded. Here you can see clear ChatGPT. So now let's search it into the search in Drive options. So what is actually it? Clear ChatGPT, and you can see it already been come, and here you can see the date. You will see it in here. So in this way you can upload file. Now let's talk about organize files with folders. To stay organized, let's create folders. You just need to click to the new. Once you click over here, then you can create new folder in here. So let's say I'm going to create a new folder, and I will name it like school in this way, and then I will click over here to create. You can give it a name, anything you want. It could be project or proposal or personal, and you just need to hit the create button and drag files into the folder just like on your desktop. Like here I am going to upload anything like the checkout on into my school. You just need to drag and drop in here, and you will eventually find it out into the folder. So let me give a pro tip. You can color code folders by right clicking and choosing change color like this way. Let's go to the folder, and then you just need to click over here, and from that place you can see the folder information, details, security limitations, activity, search with school, and then share, and also the rename options. So you can add Easter to important folder using add to Easter for quickly access these folders to separate personal documentations from work, school files, photos, and etc. Now let's talk about create Google Docs and sheets and slides. So Google Drive lets you create documents right inside the browser. You just need to be click to the new, and once you're done, then here you can see what we can actually create in here. So you can create Google Docs like Word, Google Sheet like Excel, Google Slides like PowerPoint, or click more to access forms, drawing, or Jamboards. You can start from a blank file or use built-in templates for resumes, invoices, and calendars, and many more. And don't worry, all changes are set automatically in real time. Then now let's talk about the sharing files and permissions. So if you want to share a file with someone, here's how you can do it. You just need to be like, we are going to share our drive. So you just need to be right click any file or folder and then select share. Here you will find out this share button. You just need to be click over here, and then you just need to be enter the personal email address in here. Let's say I'm going to share with him, so I choose his name, and then I just need to click over here share, and it already been shared. Then you can choose their role also, like if you click over here, and here you can see the role is editor. You can choose their role, like the viewer, they can only see the file, then commenter, they can add comments, editor, they can change or delete the file, or click copy link to share by messaging apps. You can also set the link to restricted only certain people or anyone with the link. This is perfect for team project or group work or client files. Now let's talk about search and filter files. If your drive starts filling up, use the search bar, click the filter icon to search by file type, like here. As I'm going to click over here, and you just need to be click on add and search. Now you can filter anything, filter by type, docs, like here you just need to click over here, photos, PDFs, documents, whatever you want, you can do it in here. Then date modifier, you can see the date modifier in here. You can search it by date modifier also. Then keyword inside documents, share status. This makes finding old filters super easy, especially if you have hundreds stored. Then sync with your computer and offline access. You can install Google Drive for desktop and sync files with your PC and Macs. Download it from googledrive.com. Then once installed, choose file which folders you want to sync. You will have a Drive folder on your computer. Anything you add them, they are synced with the cloud. Want offline access, like if you want offline access, then you just need to click over here, right click a file and choose available offline. You can now open the edit it even without internet, perfect for traveling or low connection areas. And that's how you can use Google Drive in 2025. From uploading and organizing to creating and sharing, Google Drive makes file management super easy and accessible from anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.